Hey guys, it's Christine, and I just want to teach you how to use a layer mask really quick. So you need two layers, a top layer and a bottom layer, and they could be the same image or they could be two separate images, but it's basically, when you want to take elements from one photo and incorporate them into another photo. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an edit on top of this photo. So now there's two layers. There's the top layer and the bottom layer. And say I like how the grass looks, but I liked how she looked more in the original. So I want to basically erase this and leave this. You can think of a layer mask like an eraser tool, except for you can bring back the photo. It doesn't just erase, it also brings it back. So if you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. So to add a layer mask, you make sure the top layer is selected. You go to this square with a circle at the bottom. You click it, and that's literally all you have to do. And then you go to your paintbrush tool, you make sure it's set to black. Black is going to get rid of the top layer and reveal the bottom layer, and white is going to bring back the top layer. So it's black. I'm going to set it to 100%, and then I'm just going to erase. So right now I am getting rid of the top layer. I'll just do this really quick. And say I go too far and I accidentally erase some of the grass that I wanted to keep. And then I'm going to switch it back to white, and then I can just kind of bring it back. I can just keep doing it over and over. Oh, and then you go too far, you go back to black. So it's super useful, and you can toggle back and forth and kind of see what you miss, like right there. That sticks out to me. So then you kind of figure out what you've missed and clean it up. And it's that easy. And you've successfully used a layer mask, and you can use it for all kinds of things. You can use it for face swaps and, sky swaps and anything. You just put the bottom layer as something you want changed, and then you have your base image, and then you just kind of go back and forth and add what you want.